Welcome to Green Building Supply. My name is Melanie.
And I'm Aaron.
And today we're going to give you an introduction to bamboo flooring.
People love bamboo flooring because it's rapidly renewable. And what that means is that it grows and can be harvested every 5 to 7 years, which is much faster than hardwood, which is about 20 plus years. This is a stalk of bamboo. It's a circle, and it's usually filled with water. Right now, we've actually got it filled with these little slats, and when they cut this stalk, they get these little pieces. These pieces then get glued together either horizontally or vertically, or just combined all together into what's called strand woven bamboo.
So these are those 3 ways that they can be cut and manufactured into flooring. It's that horizontal cut, it's that vertical cut, or it's that strand compression.
And it comes in a lot of different colors and styles and mixtures of that, but that's the basics of it.
Another reason why it's very popular is that in the eco flooring category, it's the most or one of the most economical choices. So hardwood flooring, just as an option, will have a big range depending upon what species of wood you're going with, what thickness or width, whereas bamboo has a tighter range of where that cost can lay. So it's very popular.
Yeah. A lot of people want to know where it comes from. Bamboo is indigenous to China, so almost all of it comes from China. There are a couple companies that are trying to grow it in the US. They've planted their crops, but it's still
hasn't matured yet.
Yeah, it's not old enough yet to be harvested. So thank you for watching. We encourage you to get samples of the bamboo flooring that we offer. That way you can feel it, look at it, smell it, touch it.
If you have any additional questions on bamboo, feel free to email us or call us or reach out to us on our website.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.